So, apparently there's a fire ban. Fuck 'em. I'm careful. They can't really say no fire ban because there's been dry weather. According to the weather forecast, it's always raining. According to YouTube, it's always raining. Leave no trace. I'm being stalked now by these fucking cretins. Just to be on the safe side, I put the rocks on top of the fire pit, just in case there is any glowing, any embers underneath. Just in case. Taking the alternate route back, which is pretty much vertical in places and very, very dry. Yeah, it fucked me up. 2 people. We're not telling you to move, but you're some fucker, a bit of string around their neck and a gay glow jacket, and they think they got the fucking power of God. Oh, shoot, we have fires. Yeah. It's amazing how intensely that fucked my brain up. Not when I was at the time I get just defensive. I'm a cunt, I'm a biker, that's just who I am. But it's a case of, now I'm actually walking them away from them, I feel violated. I go out once a week to have some space where there's no humans around me. Yeah, it's a very violating thing when you go out on your own to be solo, not to have neighbours, not to have anyone else, and then you get 2 people trying to dominate you. Hello trees, happy trees. They're gradually clear felling the entire woodland. Been here for 1,000 years. Another 5 years it'll all be gone. Because it blocks the Wi-Fi signal.
Let's look at this in a logical way. Chuan, The Grudge. A Japanese schoolgirl that comes to your bed without you having to buy her a meal. She likes it rough. She won't call the police. And most importantly of all, she cannot, accidentally on purpose, get pregnant. Not so much a horror story or a horror movie, but a really, really good positive porn.